What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Check it out. We're in the POV, right? I told you I was gonna do it. So we cruising around the city for a couple minutes, testing out the short shifter. I still haven't got, ooh, is that a cop? I still haven't got an alignment yet, so I don't expect the car to ride perfect, but the alignment wasn't too bad. Ooh, that is a cop. Shifter feels good. I just need a shift knob, man. Oh my God, bro. Dang, it was a bad wreck right here, yo. Look at it. Oh my God. Cuz, look at that shit. Oh man. Damn, that was bad. Used to the short shifter, boy. Driving slow. I'm trying to get on it. Bro, it feels like I'm still in the gear with this short shifter, bro. I'm used to like so much more movement. Get all this so bad. back around, bro. Fuck no. The traffic. Well, no, it might not be that bad. Probably should, damn. Hold on. I'm just cruising around the city, man. Buddy, that don't sound good at all, y'all. Sound like an exhaust leak. Oh my God. Yo. I can't hit boost no more. Oh my God, bro. Bro, if y'all can't see that, bro, we literally have to cruise home. We cannot hit boost at all, bro. Oh my God. This is crazy. Damn. Bro, I can't wait to get back to the crib and show y'all what the fuck just happened. I knew I heard a, yeah, I have no AFR. I'm gonna keep recording. Hold on, let me try to figure out how to get back to the crib. Cause this is not good. 7 minutes to the house. I'm not trying to check 360. Let me see. Okay. I can go through the neighborhood. Wow, bro, that is crazy. Fuck, you can smell that shit. Bro, I just lost my wastegate. We cannot hit boost at all. We gotta pretty much drive it like it's NA. The only thing holding my wastegate is the wastegate line, bro. That's why I'm not reading no AFR. Oh my God, bro, that's crazy. Damn, I can't believe that shit just happened. I'm glad I didn't go nowhere far. What the fuck? Cause I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. I heard like a different tone and like the sound of my car. Damn, bro. I'm breaking necks and shit. smells like trash. I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. Fuck, we're almost to the crib. I might have to get a new manifold. I don't know if this is savable. Might be time for a new manifold, y'all. Keep from going this way. Look at that damn wreck over there. Come on, bitch. I see her watching me and shit through the side view. Shit's good though. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're back in my garage, and I don't know if you can see, but that's my wastegate. Just hanging down on the ground. It's literally on top of the motor mount right now. It's hot as fuck, so I ain't finna reach down there. But, hold on, let me see if I can get this light better. Yeah, you can't really see the backside. But yeah, bro, wastegate broke off. She left the chat, fellas. I don't know if you guys can get a good look, but you can see where it was, you see where it broke off at, right? If you just peek, it's literally on the bottom of this manifold, and it broke. So that was interesting. And it might be time, well, it might be time for a new manifold, bro, because I could possibly weld this back, but you know, it's weak, you know what I mean? So, damn, that was an interesting ride. I'm gonna see y'all back upstairs though. All right, guys, we're back in the crib, bro. Hey, that was a crazy ride, bro. Like, I did not expect that to happen. You know what I'm saying? The wastegate broke off. Good thing I noticed that, because I was hitting boost, and I think that's what did it. You know what I mean? I wasn't going too crazy, but I was hitting boost. And thank God I didn't continue to do it, because, you know, once you don't have a wastegate, you know what I'm saying, that boost is gonna go above and beyond, and there goes your motor. So man, if you guys enjoyed that POV, I know it wasn't long because we had some difficulties and shit, but I think that was an interesting video. But I definitely make another one whenever the shit's fixed. So now I got another video to record because we got to examine what the fuck happened. We already know what the fuck happened, but we get a closer look when I take the manifold off and see if I can save it temporarily. I think it's just time to get a new manifold, bro. So who knows, I might just order a new manifold or try to save it, or see if any of the homies have an extra, you know, KA24DE manifold that I can get from them. But if you enjoyed that video, man, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.